In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Binance login error on the iPhone app in 2025. This can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're eager to access your account, but don't worry, we've got a clear set of steps to help you troubleshoot and resolve this issue. Let's dive right in and get that sorted. First up, the simplest solution might just be to restart your phone. It may seem basic, but many times simply restarting your device can refresh your system and clear up any temporary glitches causing the login error. So go ahead and power off your iPhone. Wait for a few moments before switching it back on. This process can often reset any odd background processes that might be interfering with the Binance app functionality. Once your phone is back on, it's time to check the Binance app itself. Make sure you have the latest version of the app installed. Head over to the App Store, find Binance, and see if there are any updates available. If there is, download and install that update. Updated apps often come with bug fixes for known issues, which could potentially resolve your login problem right away. Now, if updating didn't do the trick, let's move on to clearing the app cache. Caches store temporary data, and sometimes they become corrupted. To clear it, open the Binance app and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left of the screen. Navigate through to settings and then select clear cache. This simple action could effectively remove any problematic temporary data that has amassed over time. Internet connectivity plays a vital role in app performance, so the next thing you need to do is check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is working flawlessly. You can try opening a web page in Safari or YouTube to confirm that your connection is active and strong. If there are any issues, try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if that makes a difference. If clearing the cache and checking the connection still haven't resolved it, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app itself. This might feel like a drastic step, but it effectively provides a clean slate for the app to run correctly. Hold down the Binance app icon on your home screen until an option to delete the app appears. Tap delete and then reinstall the app from the App Store. Finally, if none of these steps work, it may be time to reach out to Binance support for further assistance. Sometimes there might be account-specific issues or ongoing service disruptions that only customer support can resolve. Visit their support page for contact details and get the help you need directly from the team. Follow these steps and hopefully you'll be back to trading in no time. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.